To know how to get it, don't skip any part. Like and subscribe to my channel. Quickly, open your browser, then search for Threads APK. Now choose the first one here, APK Pure. Now scroll down to reach this button and click on it. There are a lot of ads here. Now, from here, scroll down a little bit and click on this. Again, scroll down to reach this button. Then click on it. Wait here for a while until the download starts. Click on Download. Now, don't close your browser until the download is complete. Finally, when the download is finished, click on Open. Wait a minute. When the installation is finished, click Open to check it out. And here you are. If you are looking for Threads app tips and tricks, watch this video. It's easily understood. And that's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.